Hi, guys.
Good morning, Judge.
So you said it's on,
Alani Gonzalez.
we'll go ahead and bring this person up.
I'm sorry.
Bring him up.
Yeah, you can. Alani Gonzalez.
Do you mind bringing him up, please?
It's a lady, a girl, or a young adult.
All right. Are you Miss Alani Jones? I'm sorry, Alani Keontae Gonzalez.
Yes, yes.
Miss Gonzalez, your lawyers asked for me to set you a bond. You are a fugitive from justice. There's another state that wants you. I don't know why. I know that you're going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods but I have to get to know you in a very short period of time. So please, let's get to meet Miss Gonzalez.
Your Honor, Ms. Gonzalez is one out of the state of Louisiana, specifically Baton Rouge Parish, for 2 offenses, the first felony larceny and the second monetary instrument abuse. I don't see that there's a bond there. She has no holds out of any other jurisdictions, Your Honor.
Any other criminal history? Okay. How old is she? How old are you, Miss?
23.
You're 23?
And Judge, yes, that is true. She has no criminal history. She is indicating to me that she lives in Houston. She works in Houston. She has no recollection of even going to this parish. I've explained to her that you will give her 14 days if you give her a bond to go down there and settle this matter. We have no information about the case that we can give to her. She needs to go to Louisiana and handle that. She understands that. She's never been in trouble, never been in jail. She's asking for you to set her a bond so her family can bond her out and assist her in getting to Louisiana to address these issues.
I'm okay with giving her a bond. I mean, it's nonviolent. I don't have any, significant criminal history.
I'm not opposed.
So the next question is how much? Amy, guys, what do you say? What do you think?
Say it's just unopposed to a bond, but we'd be opposed to a loan. Maybe like 5,000.
Judge, I would ask for $1,500. She's 23 years old. She works at a bar on tips. Her family is willing to assist her. But I do believe that based on that information alone, that she's willing to do the right things, go and report back because she knows that you will issue a warrant for her arrest and bring her right back in the event that she does not obey these court's orders.
Ms. Gonzalez, you need to understand.
As a 3-year-old, she wanted me to.
You need to understand that these are serious charges and we take these really, really serious, If you want me to set you a bond, I will. I'll set your bond at $1,500, but you have to understand that you're going to have to probably pony up all of that money. It's not the 10% deal because you're a fugitive, meaning you are a flight risk in and of itself because it's out of another state. I will give you the opportunity to bond out, but I want you to understand we don't play games here. So if from the day that you're released, we give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself into Baton Rouge and take care of the business that you have there. You have to turn yourself in. There's no bond to post there. If you fail to do that, I'm going to revoke this bond. I'm going to set it at 0. I'm not going to give you another one. So if you fail to do it, I'm going to get you back because you can't run forever. And this time I'm going to hold you in custody until Baton Rouge comes and picks you up.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we'll set bond at $1,500 and then.
I will add she's waived, so she'll be needing to, or withdraw her waiver tonight.
Okay. So she did waive.
Correct. On the-
Have you spoken to any family members to make sure that they can make that bond?
No, Judge, I have not.
Okay, so the deal is this, is that, we give them 14 days to come pick you up, 14 days from the day that you waive. When did she waive?
Yesterday.
She waived today?
Yesterday.
Yes, so you have 1 day credit toward that 14 days. When you have to withdraw that waiver to be able to bond out, you lose that 1 day credit. And so that's why I would like, prior to you withdrawing that waiver, let Shibli reach out to your family to make sure they can make that bond because I don't want you to lose that 1 day credit, So we can put you back once you verify, or if you don't want to, that's okay too. If you know that they're going to bond you out regardless. I don't know. Sorry?
I can go call them right now.
Well, give the number to Shibli and Shibli can call back there for you and then you guys can talk back there. Okay? And then just let me know.
Yes,
Thanks.
thank you.
All right, thank you.
So once, and if they say yes, at that point, 1,500.
Judge, do you want the other one?
Is it a waiver?
She has not signed it. She's willing to waive.
What's the name?
Her name is Jennifer Claus. She was brought in on Friday. She did not sign. The state is willing to give her the back time for it, but she has not signed the waiver yet. So I don't know if you want to admonish her.
Yeah, I mean, we have to. She's not signed it. She's not doing
Right.
anything. Deputy Mayor, do you mind bringing out Jennifer Claus, please? Good morning, Ms. Claus. So it's come to my attention that you have not signed the waiver. So there's two options that we have here. You can ask for a bond or you can waive extradition. Once you waive, we give the demanding jurisdiction 14 days to come pick you up. In this case, it's Orange County, Florida. That's where you're wanted out of for grand larceny in the third degree.
For what, sir?
Grand larceny in the third degree.
That means grand larceny,
Larceny is it's a theft.
third degree is.
As far as, I'm just telling you what they wrote on the actual, on the complaint, it says not grand larceny, grand theft in the third degree, $5,000. That's what it says. So if you do not want to waive, that is okay. The waiving, it speeds up the process because we only give them 14 days. If they don't come within the 14 days, Harris County releases you. You got to understand, even if we release you, that warrant from Florida will always remain active until you go back to Florida and take care of it. If you refuse to sign the form, that's okay. We will get a governor's warrant, but that takes 90 days. So you're going to sit here 90 days waiting for that governor's warrant to hit. So I will let you make the decision with Chablis, what you would like to do. I don't want you to make a decision here in front of everyone. Take your time.
She does want to waive, and they were going to give her the credit for Friday when she was originally booked in. They were going to backdate it to Friday.
Well,
Here's the kicker, though. I just noticed you have an open felony theft case, and you've not made bond on the case. So what happens is that 14 days is typically told until you resolve that case or until you post bond. When all the holds are lifted, at that point, that triggers the 14 days for Florida to come get you. So,
I didn't know you had a case. a
yeah,
local
I mean, I
case.
just noticed it too. So, you can still waive now so that once that hold lifts, it kicks in the 14 days. So, well, I'll let you guys talk about it and let me know.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, I'll get the paperwork. to you to sign. It just doesn't come into effect until you handle the paper.
So Chablis, if she waives, there's no need to bring her back out. We'll just sign it and then I can sign it and then we're done.
Yes, yes.
Judge, for Joshua Jones, could you sign the BVR in the queue, for amended conditions?
Do you?
Amended.
Oh, amended condition, got it. Okay.
Sorry.
Brandon. Hey, bud. What's up? Yeah, what's new?
Your Honor, I got a motion of a sub in your queue.
I'll sign it. Just haven't put it in.
Okay, I think they just did, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, I'll sign it.
Tomorrow.
Is it a new case?
It's a little older, but if I have to approach you tomorrow, I'll approach you on it.
Is it, it's that old to where you got to approach them?
I think it's right near 180 days.
Yeah, just whatever you need.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Sure.
Judge, can you hear me?
Yes.
So Judge, this morning we pled on Alejandro Navarro.
Okay.
Judge, I talked to pretrial services about his ankle monitor that he had as a condition of bond. I think we thought that the plea paperwork would take care of it. But he's at 49 San Jacinto right now, and they were telling him that they may need an order from the court.
The issue was that when you sent him, the document was not signed. It was signed recently, so he can check in again. But like I had stated earlier to you, don't send the client until it had been signed. It wasn't signed at the time that you had sent him.
It's signed
Now it
now.
has been.
He should be good now.
Okay. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
For sure. Take
Bye.
care.
I actually have a couple.
Okay.
A fugitive,
Shh,
Garcia.
Garcia.
A fugitive bond, and he never turned himself in, so I got a copy of the governor's warrant from the state.
Well, wait a second. So, well, that's two different things though. So we're talking about Amber Garcia. Amber Garcia got out.
He got a bond and he never turned himself into Kansas. He was rearrested.
Oh, I see, rearrested. Got it. Okay, so we have him here now.
I have a copy of the governor's warrant.
Okay. No, I don't need it. Just serve it and yeah, good.
He's been served.
Okay, wonderful. And you do need me to sign something though, right?
Yeah, there's a green now.
With the waiver.
I think that there's something that I have to sign too, but
So are you leaving your?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I guess the judge will.
Just judge.
Your Honor, may I approach?
yes, ma'am. Okay, wonderful.
He's currently being pulled on the road.
Yes.
I don't, no, there's no, okay. Wait, do you want me to revoke the bond? There's a $5,000 bond that's set. I mean, could she theoretically make the bond and get out?
I don't actually know the answer to that question.
There shouldn't be a bond set. And there's a $5,000 bond set. I don't know why that's,
On this one?
on Amber Garcia, right?
No, Samoya.
Samuel Garcia.
Sorry.
Oh,
Samuel Garcia. First name
Okay.
Abner.
talking about two different people then.
Okay.
There is a local.
Yes.
There is a local and bond's been made, so I think we're good. I see. Okay, I was looking at Amber Garcia, but this is Abner
Yes.
Garcia. Okay, I think we're good.
Okay.
Let me just see real quick, because that's gonna take a bit longer. Eddie. Hey, man, what you got?
Javier Larrega, judges on your docket. 100, I think 60 days old. We provided some materials to the state. We believe that a dismissal is appropriate, Judge. But I think they want to evaluate and take a look at some of the materials we provided.
Okay, so do you want to eval it?
Yeah, we've already done a preliminary eval, Judge. They've provided us with some materials. We're currently looking into it. It shouldn't take that long.
In a week?
Yeah, a week.
Okay, so let's do a week. I'll waive it.
Yes, sir.
And then just let me know if they're not inclined, or we'll end up setting it, I guess, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. All right, got it. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Mr. Gonzalez, come up. Round and around and around and around we have gone. One case, and now a second case, and now we have a bond violation.
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with my client on January 18th, the family reunion. My client had ordered an Uber. The Uber canceled on him at about 8:40. And so he was going to order another Uber. His mother asked him not to do that. She said that she would take him home. And they ended up, there was a case on Yara. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. But after that was over, then his mother took him home. That is why he arrived. One thing, his mother is here. We didn't have any questions for that.
Is that mom there?
Yes.
She speak English?
You can try.
I'm not going to have you translate.
Your Honor, he has had no other violations.
He has 1 day of community service left on his PTI. And he is also currently working and should have the rest of the money for the restitution, which is $2,000.
This is what we're going to do. I'm sending him for a drug and alcohol test right now. I want to know what, if anything, is in his system. And then we're going to go from there. So I'm sending you now for a drug test. And then, let's just put it on for tomorrow. I want to know what the drug test, if anything, is going to say. Or can you be here tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm sending you for a drug test now, and then you're up here, right back here, so we can redo everything and see. It's unacceptable. You know what the rule is. You're under strict compliance with 2 cases that are open. This is not the first bond violation that we've had. I'm extremely upset with you, Mr. Gonzalez. I'm not taking any action now, but I want to see what the test says, and we'll go forward tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. You want him to come back today? After
Tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test right now. If you fail the test, if you fail to go, I'm going to revoke your bond. I want you back here tomorrow, and I want to see what the results are, and we'll go forward from there. Okay? Okay. And the thing with Darla today, on the trial case on Mitchell,
Yes, we did we have a PTI offer and they accepted it and he's out of state, he's in the classes, he's getting contract notarized.
but
I
weren't-
just spoke to her on the phone, they're waiting on the, him to send the contract back notarized.
dude's got bond violations. He's supposed to be here for trial. And, you know, I told her, I mean,
I can't speak on my
what she said is that it was supposed to get dismissed today. Is that not right?
I mean, in a perfect world, if once he completes everything, we can dismiss it, so if we were to.
But I thought, I was under the impression that he had already done everything, that they were just,
That he was almost done yesterday. But once he completes everything, we do dismiss.
we're set for trial.
Right.
He's not here and he's got bond violations. I mean, let me,
You email to her too.
that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna email now because I don't want to ex parte anything. And I'm gonna say, hey, look,
Right, yes, sir.
I was under this impression. If it's not done, and I said it earlier with her, I'm revoking if it was not done by the end of,
Judge, may I approach?
you know what? Continue it.
Continue, yes, sir.
Just continue it. Yeah. Yes, Elena. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
What's going on?
I'm approaching on Kareem. My phone did something.
I
Really.
forgot what the name was too.
My phone froze up.
Ellisleen.
Yeah, hold on 1 second. And I left my computer upstairs. I was rushing.
He's here.
Yes, he is. And so they dismissed the POM. And however, the theft is still pending. I went through, it's a lot of target videos. And so,
A lot of what?
target videos.
Mm.
When I say it's a lot, it's probably about 30, I mean, not 30, but it's a lot of them to go through. And I did not,
Oh, it's only 57 days old.
okay, well, I don't
I'm
know.
not gonna carry it. If they dismiss the POM, then it's 57 days old. I'm not gonna, you have as much time as you need, what you would with a normal case. You know what I mean?
Okay, well, I just wanted to make sure
no.
with that one. So that's, I'm good to reset because I just
Just
wanted to
do-
make sure.
A normal setting.
Okay, I will.
Is
And
disco-
they're gonna
is discovery
evaluate.
complete?
So like I said before, we're just missing, looks like the body cam and dash, but we have a lot of store video.
It's a lot of store video, non-relevant store video. Okay, thank you.
All right, everyone. If this hearing had you glued to the screen, drop a like and share it out. And if you want more straight to the point legal breakdowns just like this, hit subscribe and keep that notification bell on.